If you're a W-2 earner, you need to know about these three tax law changes from the One Big Beautiful Bill. Number one, the SALT increase, the SALT cap increase. It used to be $10,000, now it's up to $40,000. And why is that important? If historically you've been taking the standard deduction, well, now it might make more sense to itemize if you're paying a lot of state and local taxes, because with $40,000 as the cap, maybe you can rack up more itemized deductions, get a bigger deduction, and ultimately decrease that tax and that taxable income. Number two, the no tax on tips. Now, there are a few things we need to know here. First thing to know is that this only applies to the income. You know, Trump was saying, hey, I don't want any tax on tips. Well, yeah, that's great and noble and all, but there is a tax. There's still going to be the FICA, the Medicare and Social Security tax that's going to be withheld on your W-2, and you're still going to pay that amount. However, you will get an income tax deduction, so we're not going to pay on the tip income, but it will still be subject to Medicare and Social Security. So it's not entirely true, but we do get some benefits, so we do like that. But also know that there are limits, right? You can't deduct more than $25,000 in tip income, and it starts phasing out once you get over $150,000 in modified adjusted gross income. That's for single individual. Amounts pretty much double if you're married filing joint. And then number three, last piece, the no tax on overtime. So pretty much all the same things I was just saying about the no tax on tips, where you're still going to pay Medicare and Social Security. So it's going to be an actual deduction on your tax return. It's not going to be reported and broken out in the W-2. You're going to have to take this deduction on your 1040 yourself, so make sure you don't miss it. The deduction is limited to $12,500, but the phase outs are the same. You need to know those things. Please follow this page, like, comment your questions. If you don't want to read the entire tax bill yourself, get in touch with a tax person who can coach you and educate you on everything that is happening with the tax landscape and how you can benefit from it, take advantage of it, and have it most benefit you on your tax return come next year.